Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can get 5 Elder Kai to level up your super attack of your unit using a Dragon Stone. So let's tap the summon button. I made this video for the beginner or new into this game, so you can get this Elder Kai to level up your super attack by tapping this one, Dragonstone tab, in the summon option here. So there are 4 times only in here. With 25 Dragonstone you can get 5 Elder Kai. So if you have spare Dragonstone and you don't want to save Dragonstone, you can use 25 Dragonstone to summon 5 Elder Kai. You can see the detail here. Tap the feature and you have a guaranteed super attack to level up by 1 in training. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and also click the button below. Enjoy the game.